హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ గాంతేజ రెడ్డి. నేను ఎంజీలో వర్క్ చేస్తాను యాజ్ అ సేల్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్గా. నా పొజిషన్ వచ్చేసి రిలేషన్షిప్ మేనేజర్ ఎట్ బంజారా హిల్స్. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద హెక్టా కార్ బిసైడ్ మీ విచ్ ఈస్ హెక్టా షాప్ టాప్ అండ్ మోడల్, అండ్ you can see the features inside the car, and as well as the radius and the ground clearance, and as well as you can see the features inside the car. And you are going to have electronic adjustable seat. You can lift the car, and you can lift the seat as well, and you can push the seat down as well. And this car is having six-way adjustable, and you are going to have the same thing on the co-driver seat as well. And you are going to have plenty of features in the car, and you can control your car with your mobile phone also. And to have iCall and eCall. iCall means information calling, eCall means emergency calling. iCall means you are going to get a call from our executives. We are going to have a call center at Noida. From there you can choose any language, English or Telugu, such that you people can call, take a part in the call, and you can have any query about the car. You can ask the person about the car. And then information call, e-call means going to call the person nearby police station, nearby hospital. And then we are going to have panoramic sunroof on the top. Let us take a look on the panoramic sunroof as well. And then we are going to have auto dimming ORVMs as well. And then we are going to have cruise button as well, and a cruise off button as well. And we are going to have plenty of option on the screen. As you can see, this is volume up and down button, and mute button, and call take button, and you can forward your songs from one song to another song. And you are going to have display on ORVM such that we can see the screen. As we have pressed the button, we are going to see some different modes on the car, the average and the trip kilometers driven, as well as you can see the warning message and fatigue messages in the screen. Slide the average of the car, and you can see the dashboard of kilometer driven. I call Ghana will be 3 years for free. And then you are going to have 4G SIM inside, and this 4G SIM is ready to swipe to 5G SIM. Ghana for 3 years for free, as well as Airtel SIM also free for 3 years. And you can listen the song inside the car. And through voice command also we can control the car. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Open the driver side window.
Okay, window and drive side is
Hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
Close the driver side window.
Window and drive side is closed.
And you can see the command. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Open sunroof. And sunroof has been opened through voice command only. We have not touched anything, and through this we can command turn on AC, turn off AC, and so on. We are going to have 1000 plus commands on the in this MG preloaded. And then you are going to have ambient lighting in the car. When we on the front headlights, we are going to see the ambient lighting. As you can see the ambient lighting in this car. and you are going to have the ambient lighting in this car like this, and you are going to have in the footstep also. It's a daytime, so we cannot see the ambient lighting at the footrest. And this is the start button. You can see, and turn on the vehicle. You can see that the left side door has been opened, so we have getting an warning buttons to lock or unlock the car, and then windows button as well. And you can also have the child lock for the windows from here only. We can also even open the boot space from here only, as I am pressing the button here, so that you can open the button backside. I am again pressing the button to close the boot, so that it will automatically close the boot. According to the features, car weight is 2 ton as well, and then you are going to have engine specification is 1.5 turbo engine, and then you are going to have cc of 1451 is the cc of the car, and then you are going to have massive power in this car, like 143 at the rate 5000 rpm, and then maximum torque will be 215 newton meter at the rate 600 rpm, and then transmission will be DCT, as you can know, and then you are going to length is 4720 mm. This is the 1.5 liter turbo engine. As you can see the insulators wherever you go. This is the insulator as well, and this is the coolant oil box, and then you are going to have so you can see there are a lot of dust on the car. Why? Because the test drive vehicle will be using every day, so that is the reason why the car is so dirty. You can see the DRLs on the left and right of the car, and you can see the headlights as well, and the fog light. You are going to have 18-inch alloy wheels. In this car you are going to have 4 cameras. 4 sides, 4 cameras will be available, and this is the first camera you can see as well, and I'm going to show you the left and another camera, and as well as you can see, and then back side will be available under the MG logo, as you can see here. Then you are going to have auto sensing wipers. When the car will sense the water on the car, then automatically the wipers will be on. We need to on the function in the car.